Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I thank you for joining me on my weight loss journey. On today's video, I'll be making a DIY detox drink, which is very beneficial for weight loss and just cleansing your body. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I have some ginger, some lime. Of course, you can use lemon, but all I had was lime at the moment, and lime is just as beneficial. And I also have a grater, a knife, organic cayenne pepper, raw honey, organic turmeric, and a strainer. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna stop because I just realized that I don't even think I have to peel the skin off since I'm going to be straining it anyway, right? So like I can just leave it on and cut it in the small chunks, and because I'm going to put it in the blender and strain it. So I don't think that the skin matters or not because it's going to be in the strainer. So I'm going to save myself some time, and I'm just going to cut them all into pieces. All right, so let's go ahead and see how this works. Okay, so this is my chopped ginger. And what I'm going to do now is heat some water in a kettle. I'm using I used the whole water bottle, and after that heats, I'm going to add my chopped ginger to the blender and add it with the hot water. I'm using hot water to blend, that way it can get all of the flavor out of the ginger. And I'm going to be adding cool water after I get my mixture. So like I said, the hot water helps to draw out all of the flavor from the ginger. So I'm not gonna let it boil, I'm just gonna let it get pretty hot, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to add my ginger to the blender, and I'm using one hand, so bear with me. And now it's time to blend. Okay, so it is done blending. I think this is as good as it's gonna get, and this is the consistency. Okay, I wish I had a bigger strainer, but I don't, but I'm just gonna make this one work. So I just have a bowl, and I'm just going to slowly pour it in the strainer. Ooh, it's strong too, like it's hitting my nose. It's very strong. And then let me get the spoon. Hold on, guys. So I'm gonna use the spoon to, press it down and get all of the goodness out. See, I didn't even need to cut or peel the skin off. You see how much time I saved? So guys, don't peel the skin off. So you can see, like, it almost provided 4 cups, 32 ounces of ginger juice. And this is what is left of the strained ginger. Okay, so the hard part is done. Now this is the fun part, the mixing. Okay, so I had got this glass pitcher from Target, and I also got these like small miniature mason jars. These are, I think they're 4 ounces each. So I got these for these are going to be like for travel on the go, my little detox drinks on the go. And this is 2 quarts. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix. And the good thing about this is that this mixture, if it's too strong for you, you can always dilute it with just simply adding more water. So I'm going to start off, I don't know exactly how much I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to be letting you guys know. I'm going to start off with a tablespoon each of the turmeric and the cayenne pepper. And fun tip, I feel like this is a good amount that I had, well, I'm not using all of this, of course not, but I had got this from the health food store for 63 cents, because I had some other cayenne pepper, but it wasn't organic. So definitely I would prefer you to use organic spices, and possibly, you know, and organic limes and or lemons and ginger if you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it, and let me set the camera down so I can do so. Okay, so I used all 4 limes, and this is what it looks like. So now it's time to add the honey. Okay, I don't know how much I'm gonna add. I'm just going to squirt. Kind of just gonna eyeball it. I think that's enough for now. We'll see. You can always add more, okay? All right, so now here goes the juice, the ginger juice. And I'm going to add some more water. Okay, I am all done. Make sure before you're transferring it, you always want to stir, because like the spices do tend to settle at the bottom, so you have to shake well each time you drink. So this is what it looks like. And you see the nice orange colors from the turmeric. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour. I do not know if I can do this with one hand. I'm not even going to attempt. So let me adjust the camera. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour into this.